Did you know that one simple red tea could naturally help lower your blood pressure? I'm talking about hibiscus tea. Clinical studies show it can reduce systolic blood pressure by up to 7 to 10 points, and today I'll show you its benefits and exactly how to prepare it step by step. If you love natural remedies backed by science, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly health tips. Benefits of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus, also known as Hibiscus sabdariffa, is packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins that relax your blood vessels and act as a natural diuretic, helping your body release excess sodium. Research confirms that drinking hibiscus tea regularly can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It may also support cholesterol balance, protect the heart, and even aid in healthy weight management. And the best part? It's delicious, tangy, slightly tart, and refreshing whether hot or cold. Ingredients and equipment. To make hibiscus tea, you'll need just 2 things: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus petals, 1 cup of hot water. Optional, honey or lemon for taste. Grab a teapot or mug, a strainer, and you're ready to go. Step-by-step preparation. Step 1. Bring a cup of water to a boil. Step 2. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers into your teapot or mug. Step 3. Pour the hot water over the flowers. Step 4. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you wait, the richer and tangier the flavor. Step 5. Strain the tea into your cup. Add a little honey or lemon if you like. And that's it. Your heart-friendly hibiscus tea is ready to enjoy. Quantity to drink. Most studies found results when people drank about 2 to 3 cups a day over several weeks. A simple rule: 1 cup in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 in the evening. Consistency matters, sip it daily, and over time you may notice improvements in your blood pressure readings. Safety notes and precautions. Now, a quick but important note. Hibiscus tea is safe for most people, but if you're on blood pressure medication, hibiscus can amplify the effect, so talk to your doctor first. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid hibiscus unless your healthcare provider approves. A few people may experience mild stomach upset if they drink large amounts, so always enjoy it in moderation and alongside a healthy diet and lifestyle. So let's recap. Hibiscus tea is a natural, refreshing way to help lower blood pressure, protect your heart, and boost overall health. All it takes is 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried flowers, steeped for 5 to 10 minutes, enjoyed up to 3 times daily. This is nature's medicine cabinet at its best: simple, safe, and effective.